Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Instagram account. Now, to reactivate a temporary deactivated Instagram account, just simply log back in to the account using the mobile app or a desktop browser, as logging in instantly cancels the deactivation and restores your profile, photos, comments, and likes exactly as they were. When you have decided, for example, a few weeks ago that you wanted to delete your Instagram account, well, it's not deleted yet. There's your 30-day window, which you can go ahead and use to log in, all right, or log back in again so that you will be able to reactivate your account. If you chose to delete your account instead of deactivating it, you only have a 30-day grace period to log in and stop the deletion. So after 30 days, unfortunately, the data is permanently erased and cannot be reactivated. I hope that's clear. All right. So that is how you reactivate your Instagram account. All you got to do is just log back into the Instagram app or the Instagram's website. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you with the next one.